Students, today I am discussing some solved problems in textbook transformations chapter, page number 278. See example 8. Example 8 is given that if none of a plus b is an integral multiple of pi, then prove that 1 minus cos a plus 1 plus cos b minus cos a plus b divided by 1 plus cos a minus cos b minus cos a plus b is equal to tan a by 2 into cot b by 2. We have to prove this. Take LHS. Take LHS equals to. So rearrange the numerator like this. 1 minus cos a plus b in one bracket. Take minus sign common. Cos a minus cos b. Now denominator also we have to rearrange the terms. 1 minus cos a plus b minus plus, here plus it is, cos a minus cos b. Now the numerator 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2, that is 2 sin square a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus cos b minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2 cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 is the formula. Same denominator is also like this, 2 sin square a plus b by 2 plus, so cos a minus cos b minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Then we can take common 2 sin a plus b by 2. We can take common 2 sin a plus b by 2 in the numerator. In the numerator you can take common 2 sin a plus b by 2. What is the remaining values? Sin a plus b by 2 minus of minus plus sin a minus b by 2, close the bracket, divided by denominator also we can take common 2 sin a plus b by 2. So in the bracket there will be sin a plus b by 2 minus of plus into minus minus sin a minus b by 2. So here sin a plus b by 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. Then sin a plus b plus sin a minus b form 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a, in the place of a there is a by 2, cos b, in the place of b there is b by 2, divided by 2 sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a by 2 sin b by 2, in the place of a there is a by 2, in the place of b there is b by 2, 2 got cancelled. Sin a by 2 by cos a by 2, tan a by 2, cos b by 2 by sin b by 2, cot b by 2, which is equal to RHS. This is what we have to prove. Next, we move to the next example problem. Example 10. Example 10. This is most important problem for long answer questions. So here it is given that suppose alpha minus beta is not odd multiple of pi by 2, m is non-zero real number such that m not equal to minus 1, and given if sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha minus beta is equals to 1 minus m by 1 plus m, then prove that tan pi by 4 minus alpha is equals to m times of tan pi by 4 plus beta. This is what we have to prove. So solution. So given sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha minus beta is equals to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. So by using componendo dividendo, by componendo dividendo, componendo dividendo, so we have to prove sin alpha plus, we have to write sin alpha plus beta by numerator plus denominator, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator, is equals to 1 minus m plus 1 plus m, numerator plus denominator, by 1 minus m minus 1 plus m implies, so sin c plus cos d, sin c minus cos d, there is no formula for this. So sin c plus sin d, there is formula, sin c minus sin d is also there is a formula. So we have to make this cos in terms of sines. So sin alpha plus beta plus sin of, it will be pi by 2 minus alpha plus beta. Pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha plus beta divided by sin alpha plus beta minus sin of pi by 2 minus alpha plus beta equals to m gets cancelled, it will be 2, 1 gets cancelled, it will be minus 2m, 2 got cancelled. So implies sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, adding these two, alpha will be cancelled, pi by 2 beta plus 2 beta by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is alpha minus alpha 2 alpha, beta will be cancelled, minus pi by 2 all divided by 2 divided by sin c minus sin d, in the place of sin cos is there, cos place లో sin వస్తుంది, just reverse అవుతాయమ్మా. In the place of sin you have to write cos, angle will be the same, pi by 2 plus 2 beta by 2 sin 2 alpha minus pi by 2 by 2 cos sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 is equals to minus 1 by m. This 2 will be cancelled. Then sin by cos, angle will be the same, sin by cos is equals to tan. tan of pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4 2 beta by 2 plus beta cos by sin cot 2 alpha by 2 alpha minus pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4 is equals to minus 1 by m. Cross multiply m tan pi by 4 plus beta equals to minus cot goes right side, it will be tan alpha minus pi by 4. So taking minus sign common, it will be tan pi by 4 minus alpha, which we have to prove. Pi by 4 tan pi by 4 minus alpha implies m tan pi by 4 plus beta equals to. So that's all for this today. Okay, ma.